Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be going to CR Park Market too. It's a mini Kolkata market. So here we will get all type of vegetables, fish and grocery. Everything will get there. So I do most of my shopping from CR Park Market too. So I thought कि आज आप सबको लेके जाते हैं एक बार आप लोग भी देख लो कैसे होता है CR Park Market too. And those who are staying in Delhi they already know it. And those who are watching from Kolkata you can see how this market is look like. ये लगता है कि आप कोलकाता में ही हो एकदम वैसे ही है ये मार्केट. This is my makeup no makeup look and I'm sweating right now because in Delhi it's a very hot temperature and yeah, my final and the full outfit that I'm wearing today I'm going to show you. And this is my full outfit, normal jeans and top. So and so without any further talk let's start with the video.
So this is how the CR Park Market 2 looks like from the outside. So it's in the evening time and you can see there is a lot of lighting. And now we are entering in the market. So first this is a clothing shop. So they are selling very basic night suits and nightwear. And this is a momo shop. This is a Nepali momo shop. They have a yummy momos. I have eat many times from here. And this is an optical shop, and this is another fast food center where you can go get all type of fast foods like chowmins, momos, rolls, vegetables, everything, snacks you will get from here. And this is one ATM counter. And now we are passing through a sweet shop. So this is a VIP sweets of Kolkata. So you will get all type of sweets of Kolkata from here. This is another sweet treat from this is also another sweet shop, and this is a homeopathic medicine shop, and this is another grocery shop. So this is the fish market we have entered. So they have a variety of fish, papda, rui, ilish, pomfret, everything they have. So those who are fish lover, definitely you can check it from CR Park Market too. And now this is a vegetable shop. So there are a lot of vegetables here they have, and they're very fresh. So this is another fast food center. So here also they also give very yummy fast foods. They have rolls, they have tandooris, all type of tandooris, chicken tandoori, reshmi kebabs. And now we are heading, so this is another shop who are selling wooden kitchen utensils and steel utensils. So this is a cheese grater. I am purchasing for myself. I need one cheese grater. And this is one hand fan I am purchasing. This is for house decoration. I am purchasing 2 hand fans to decorate my house. So in my home tour video you will definitely see these fans, hand fans, where I'm going to paste it. So this is my daughter who is also doing shopping. So this is a actually this is a shop from where you get all puja items, puja related items you can purchase from these shops. And they have also beautiful idols you can purchase. And now we have entered in the sweet shop. So they have a yummy sweets and all Bengali sweets, like they have a variety of shandesh and chanar mishti. They have a chanar jilepi, langcha. You can see there is a variety of shandesh. There is a mishti doi. We Bengali love mishti doi. And there is a baked rasgulla, rasmalai, gurer rasgulla, and normal rasgulla. So anywhere, if you're staying in Noida and Gurgaon looking for good sweets, Kolkata sweets, so definitely you can check in CR Park Market too. You will get all variety of sweets. And now we are going heading towards another place. So this is a Shoni Mandir. So inside the market there is also a Shoni Mandir. So Shoni Puja is going on. So this is another vegetable shop. So here also you will get a variety of vegetables. You will get all type of vegetables. You will name it and you will get it. So, and this is a dhaki person who is actually playing the dhaki. And now we have came to another shop. So they are selling all those jharna ghee and kashundi, the ghee we love. There is a very good aroma. So jharna ghee and kashundi will get it from here, from market too. And this is another grocery stationery shop. This is one optical shop, so you will get all your specs from here. So this is another chart center who are selling fuchkas and all type of charts. So those who want to have chart, they can have charts from here. And the sweet shop who are also selling very this is known as the Annapurna sweet shop. There is a very good sweets you will get from here. And this is another chop shop where you will get all type of the cutlets, fish fry, fish cutlet, chicken cutlet, chop, mutton chop, fish chop, all type of chops you will get. So we Bengalis love all type of fries and chops. So those who are searching for a good chop, definitely you can visit here. You will get all type of variety of chops from here. And this is another shop who are selling kitchen utensils. This is a lemon twister. See, there is a sharashi also, Bengali style sharashi. And there is another clothing shop where they're selling nighties and all basic night suits. And now we are heading, so this is a tailor shop. So if anyone is looking for a good tailor, they can also have a tailor shop also in market too. So this is another restaurant, was a Mata restaurant. So this is a Bengali cuisine restaurant. You will get all Bengali staple foods and basic foods. And now we are entering into a cafe green. So this is a very small cozy cafe who is giving a Bengali delicacy lunch and dinner, and they are also giving all type of chops, cutlet, fish fries. See the cafe, it's looking so beautiful, so cozy that you can spend 2-3 hours by having a good adda here. And this is another Shona Bangla restaurant. So they also have you will get all type of Bengali cuisines, like their today's special menu. They have a Gondoraj mutton, ilish, paturi, chicken, kosha, pomfret, masala fry, prawn, malai curry, Kolkata, bhetki, paturi. So you will get all type of Bengali cuisines, and they have all special menu also that you can have it. So this is how this CR Park Market 2 looks like. So hope you have enjoyed watching this video. If you do, then give a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'll be coming up with more videos.